Okay, I probably should have filmed this earlier, but I had some really nasty dents in this part of my trombone. It got dropped a few times and caved the whole thing in. And there's all sorts of special tools you can get to push them out. I think I use a mandrel or something, and some dent balls or something. Well, I didn't have either, so to fix it, and here's a quick fix you do, what I used was marbles. Yes, always looking for the string to my marble bag. Yeah. Lost me marbles. Get the idea. I just dropped a lot of marbles down in. Oh, we'll race it through here because I've actually fixed the dents now. We don't need to over that. You get the picture. So here's a quick and easy fix. If you've dented up your bloomin' thing and need to push it back out again, marbles in there, squeeze it in, a bit more, chuck another one in there. Oh, let's get it hard. So, oop, one fell out the other end. Push it through. Maybe one more. And what that's done is pushed the dentist back up again. Once again, there's a few creases in there and everything else, but it was really badly in there, and the marbles have pushed it back out again. And then what happens if your marbles get jammed? Well, fortunately, because it's tapered. Oh dear, there's a few stuck in there. Good idea to count them before they go in so you know how many's in there. A couple of small ones down the other end. And, g'day Henry, pencil. Mind how you do this one because you don't want your fingers jamming into, that's sharp, you don't want your fingers in there. But anyway, pushing that back. Now they all come again. Did that a few times with larger sizes and managed to push it all back out again. How's that? Quick fix for a yummy trombone that it's fallen on this end a few too many times. There was a little bit of use with a ball peen just to knock out some of the high bits. So that'll do. That'll do. What do you reckon, Steve? Fixed it up. It'll do for now. Thanks for watching. Bye now. Oh, of course. Yeah, Shaka. Look up Shaka. It's a shocker. No. Actually, the guy who actually invented this way back when, he was doing this. He was actually waving, but he'd lost 3 of his fingers, and it was actually a wave. It was like, "Hey, how you going?" And he went like that. Look it up. It's on Wikipedia. Hawaiian, and now, of course, yeah, just means aloha, doesn't it? And REgarrrrDs, etc. Alright, bye for now.